You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation if you want to learn more confusing names, including from Greek, also from the Bible, also from technology. This is a name of a software company. It's pronounced in Greek Kainos. This is why most generally in English it's also pronounced Kainos, not Kainos. Do you pronounce it Kainos? Let us know in the comments in which context, for what brand or name. Generally in Biblical Greek, Kainos. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.